Okay, so next thing, I've used 50 milliliter of Glycolide. Glycolide is an option. If you want, you can add at this stage, but I'm going to give you a warning what's going to happen. When I put Glycolide in it, it's going to make it into cloudy. So it might does that, it might not, but most likely it's going to do that. So I'm just using very little quantity of it, and maybe later on I will use Glycolide if I don't want it to be cloudy at this stage. So I'm just using very little quantities, and I didn't put all of it, maybe 10 ml, because this mixture I want it to make keep the alcohol as much possible in the original form, so that I can mix the other substances in there, you know, so that's the reason for it. Okay, so the next thing, I'm using is CIS3. There's a very long name to it for a reason. I'm not telling you that, but obviously I'll write down in the description afterwards. So it's CIS3, and I'm using roughly 5 ml. The CIS substitute. CIS3 substitute. Okay. 5 grams. The smell is like apples, so